Time to recap what we learned so far this week. In Master Azerbaijani Weekly Recap, we have 7 set of words. Let's see what were those. Those were all the compound words that were also action words. First one was Fəxr Etmək, to be proud of, to take pride. We also learned Gözü Dəymək, to jinx or bring bad luck. We also learned Silib Süpürmək, to wipe out, beat soundly, clear out, clean thoroughly. We learned Səbr Etmək, with be patient, to endure and tolerate. We learned Başa Düşmək, to understand, realize, and comprehend. We learned Aşağı Düşmək, to fall down, decrease, or descend. And then we learned Soyuq Dəymək, to catch a cold or come down with a cold. Okay? How can we do without that joke uses? Some of them were this. I'll Fəxr Etmək when my to-do list stop multiplying. I'll Başa Düşmək your plan right after I master time travel in my inbox. Or, go ahead, brag about the perfect plan and Gözü Dəymək the whole thing. My motivation chose to Aşağı Düşmək 5 minutes into the meeting. I'm trying to Səbr Etmək, but my download bar moves like it's on vacation. Now, quiz time? Which word also means to descend? Make sure to drop in the comments below if you know the answer. Don't worry about the letter that is not in your keyboard. Just type in the closest one and I'll get what you mean here. All right? And next week, we're starting a new set of words and new topics. Make sure to come back next week. Come back every day to learn, actually, because consistency is the fluency. Until then, I also have made for you masterazerbaijani.com, where I post blogs every 10 days about learning cultural aspects, historical aspects of language. And masterazerbaijani.com, app itself, if when you are interested learning from the structurally, like you learn any other language out there, starting from alphabet, going from grammar, and building your own sentences. So those are there, available for you. Feel free to download, go ahead and read. If not, come back tomorrow for a new set of words.